Sony Alpha A7 III will drop the Panasonic gh5 to $1,350 including zoom lens 12/60mm. For me it would be the most logical action that Panasonic can do, because who will buy any more the Panasonic gh5s, which costs $500 more and offers much less things. Let's see pros and down between them. Spec: Sony Alpha A7 III is a full-frame mirrors and the Panasonic gh5 is a 4/3 mirrors, and we will have much less quality ISO at the high-level ISO, even though Panasonic with this model gh5s has improved a lot. But the Sony Alpha A7 III, it has the image stabilizer on all the axes in the camera body itself, while the Panasonic gh5s has no image stabilization inside the camera body. Sony Alpha A7 III records video in 4K to 30 fps, while Panasonic gh5s at 60, and is this the only one difference that still makes Panasonic winner? But if we consider that the Sony Alpha A7 III is a full frame, we get higher quality even in the photos, and do not forget that it costs $500 less, so for videographers that make also photos, this is a unique opportunity to have everything you need in a single camera. Another winning factor for Panasonic gh5s is that it has the external screen that runs forward flippable, while Sony Alpha A7 III goes only up and down, but remember that it costs $500 less.